Have you ever stood too close to a painting? So close that all you can see are the chaotic, individual brush strokes, the thick texture of the paint, the tiny cracks in the canvas. In that moment, the masterpiece is lost, obscured by an overwhelming proximity to its parts. Our lives are often like this. We find ourselves pressed right up against the canvas of a difficult situation, a confusing emotion, or a challenging relationship. All we can perceive is the immediate chaos, the noise, the disorienting details that seem to make no sense. We try to understand the whole picture by examining a single thread, and we only end up more entangled, more lost in the complexity of it all. But then, something prompts us to take a step back. We create space. This is where distance begins its quiet, transformative work. Distance often reveals truth, not by adding new information, but by rearranging what is already there into a coherent pattern. What feels confusing nearby, a tangled mess of feelings and facts, often becomes clearer with time and emotional distance. The sharp edges of immediate pain begin to soften. The deafening roar of anxiety subsides to a manageable hum. From a vantage point, we can finally see the interplay of light and shadow, the way one color complements another, the intention behind the artist's hand. Distance sharpens perspective. Like climbing a mountain, each step upward changes our view. The path that seemed impossibly winding from the trailhead now reveals its logic, its gentle ascent across the face of the slope. The dense forest that once surrounded us becomes a patch of green in a vast, breathtaking landscape. From this height, we can see where we came from, and we can see the horizon stretching out before us. The obstacles that appeared insurmountable from below are now just part of the terrain we have successfully navigated. This new perspective doesn't erase the difficulty of the climb, but it gives it meaning. It reframes our struggle as a journey toward a grander view. So be patient with yourself. Grant yourself the grace of space. When you feel lost in the brushstrokes, remember to step back from the canvas. Allow time to clarify what feels unclear now. Clarity is not a destination we arrive at, but a landscape that slowly comes into focus as we adjust our position. Trust in the quiet wisdom of distance. It is the gentle, steady hand that guides us back to understanding, revealing the beauty and coherence of the picture that was there all along, just waiting for us to see it.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.